How to create Steam account. So in order to create a Steam account, you can head over and install Steam, or you can also install or create an account using the store.steampower.com on your website. So from in there, you can see this. Click on this login option, and then from in there, you can see this new to Steam. Just head over and then click on this new to Steam create an account option right here just below that login. And then it will ask you for your details like your email address, confirm your address, as well as country of residence. So I'll head over and fill it up. So I have filled them up and then click on continue. Then as you can see, they will wait for you to verify. So they will go to your email and then just go and get your code. So you should be able to receive something like this. Just click on this verify my email address. And then this will prompt you to this. So it's actually very easy and recommendable to create your Steam account through the website because it will directly link you to your Gmail. So as you can see, your email has been verified, so we just need to go and then return to the previous window, which is this one. So just create your Steam account name as well as your password and confirm it. So I'll just head over and then fill it up. Once you're done, click on this done option right here, and then this will create your Steam account. So as you can see right here, I have successfully created my Steam account. I have successfully logged in. Here's my account, and you can use it as usual. So that's how you create Steam account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.